The benefits of fasting. People from all over the world fast for different reasons. Whether they incorporate fasting into their religious practices, culture, or wellness plans, they perceive that fasting adds value to their life. There are many different types of fasting, including intermittent fasting, one-day fasting, and daytime fasting. Typically, people select the method that best suits their lifestyle. However, does fasting actually benefit your health? If you have ever wondered about fasting, you may be surprised by the health benefits it can provide. From physical benefits to strengthening your mind, fasting does a lot for your body. Keep reading to learn 14 benefits that come from fasting. 1. Kickstart your weight loss goals. If losing weight is at the top of your priority list, fasting can help you get started. Of course, starving yourself or depriving your body of key nutrients is never a safe method of weight loss. Crash diets are not sustainable and lead to significant health issues. With fasting, you can boost your weight loss at the beginning of your wellness journey or whenever you hit a plateau. Your body converts food into energy throughout the day, but when you have too much food, it is converted into fat. By fasting, you provide your body with less food to convert into energy. It has to dip into the fat storage and burn fat cells. 2. Raise your energy level. This benefit may seem counterintuitive because most would assume that taking in less food would lead to less energy. If you were to map out your energy levels throughout the day, they would likely rise and fall over time. You may feel a boost in the morning, but a slump whenever 4 o'clock rolls around, only to be rejuvenated when you get home in the evening. These ebbs and flows can be draining and make it difficult to achieve your health and wellness goals when your energy is low. When you fast, your body digests fat at a slower rate. The process is more constant and provides a steady energy level throughout the day. You are less likely to experience dips in your energy level. 3. Improve your cellular repair. The stem cells in our intestines have a hard time regenerating as we get older. Our bodies produce fewer new intestinal cells, making us more susceptible to gastrointestinal infections. Problems with our intestines may become more frequent over time. However, fasting can promote cellular repair and boost your body's ability to regenerate stem cells. In addition to cellular repair, you can benefit from fewer gastrointestinal infections or similar issues. 4. Prevent type 2 diabetes. For people at risk of type 2 diabetes, controlling blood sugar levels is crucial. If you are able to decrease your insulin resistance, your body will become more sensitive to insulin. This can help carry glucose to your cells. Overall, fasting is effective in lowering your blood sugar level. By decreasing your blood sugar, you can increase your insulin resistance. Through fasting, you can prevent your blood sugar levels from spiking and lower your risk for type 2 diabetes. 5. Lower cholesterol. More than 600,000 people die from heart disease in the U.S. each year. Your levels of bad cholesterol can greatly impact your heart health and lead to a serious risk of heart disease if not maintained. When it comes to keeping your heart healthy, diet plays a major role. Fasting can reduce your bad cholesterol levels. It has also been shown to lower blood pressure and lower the risk of coronary artery disease. If you are at risk of heart disease, consider fasting to lower your cholesterol and blood triglycerides. 6. Live longer. While fasting is not the fountain of youth, it can provide benefits for longevity. The research on this benefit is limited but promising. Multiple studies involving the use of animals found that animals who fasted had a delayed aging rate. More studies are being conducted, but fasting is seen as a possible way to improve your lifespan and slow down the aging process. 7. Prevent neurodegenerative diseases. Fasting works for both your body and your brain. When you fast, a brain hormone called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BNDF, is produced. BNDF can convert stem cells in your brain into neurons and release chemicals that promote brain health. Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's are both examples of neurodegenerative diseases. Studies have found that BNDF can protect your brain from these diseases by blocking the changes in your brain that cause these conditions. 8. Better memory. Not only does fasting protect your brain from diseases, it can help your brain function better as well. When you eat throughout the day, your body uses the food to produce energy. Your brain can become overloaded. When you fast, your brain shifts into survival mode and is able to focus more than before. Your memory and recall can improve, and you can accomplish more throughout the day. 9. Boost your immune system. Crash diets that deprive your body of necessary nutrients are never the way to go. However, safely fasting can improve your immune system and keep your body healthy. Fasting can help a variety of cells regenerate, including cells that make up your immune system. Eating can add stress to your body if you are fighting off an illness. By fasting during this time, you give your body one less thing to worry about so it can focus on healing. Also, fasting can promote the creation of new white blood cells in your body that are well equipped to fight off illnesses and diseases. 10. Fight inflammation. If you have an infection or injury, inflammation can be beneficial to the healing process. However, if you experience chronic inflammation, you can develop serious issues such as arthritis or even cancer. Fasting can help your body fight inflammation and improve your overall health. Multiple studies have found that intermittent fasting had a significant impact on inflammation levels in participants. Inflammatory markers were reduced after the fasting period as compared to periods of non-fasting. 11. Build muscle strength. You may think taking in more food would help you build muscle, but the opposite might be true. Your body contains a protein hormone called the human growth hormone that affects many aspects of your overall health and well-being. Fasting can increase your human growth hormone levels and improve your muscle strength. 12. Prevent cancer. While we may not have a cure for cancer yet, fasting can help reduce your risk of cancer. When you fast, your body has an easier time removing toxins from your cells, which can prevent the formation of cancer in your cells. Fasting can also slow down tumor growth and reduce cancer from spreading throughout the body. For cancer patients going through chemotherapy treatments, fasting can provide a boost to their immune system. The side effects of chemotherapy can be serious and taxing on the body. By improving the immune system, fasting can help patients through their treatment. 13. Faster metabolism. Your metabolism burns fat and breaks down food. However, sometimes your digestive system is weakened and your metabolism is affected in a negative way. When you fast, you allow your digestive system to recover. Your metabolism is better able to burn calories in an efficient manner after a period of fasting. An increased metabolism can also help you lose weight. 14. Refresh your skin. The secret to clear and healthy skin may not be the expensive products sold in cosmetic stores. When you fast, your body has no need to keep expending energy on digestion. By giving your body this break, it can shift its energy to the skin. You can also fast to help remove a variety of toxins from your body. These toxins could potentially lead to problems with your skin, including acne and scarring. When you fast, your cells regenerate faster, and you can heal scars and improve your skin at a faster rate. Conclusion: when it comes to fasting, the benefits are widespread and impactful. The type of fasting you choose to participate in will be greatly determined by your lifestyle and health needs, but fasting can provide significant benefits to your body. From weight loss and disease prevention to higher energy levels and improved strength, fasting can keep you feeling young, happy, and healthy. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 23 amazing benefits of chia seeds. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.